Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make these amazing yummy spicy hash browns. So if you want to check how it's done, keep watching. Those are the ingredients that we're going to be using for today. So first, start by grating your potatoes. You want to use like the biggest part in your grater. My one broke, you guys, so I just had to use it like that. Go ahead and pour some cold water onto your potatoes. We're trying to get rid of all that starch. It should not be starchy at all, so go ahead and do this. You can put water first time, take it out, and then put it again in another batch of water and strain it out. I'm gonna go ahead and put this in a cloth to strain out all the water, but I'm just gonna set this aside while I do the rest of the other things. I'm gonna go ahead and grate my onion. If you have onion powder, you can totally skip this part, but I just like fresh onions. I don't know. It's just something that I love. Go ahead and chop your salsa or your parsley, and of course go ahead and chop up your chili. So you can use as much chili as you want depending on how hot you want it, or less chili. It all depends on you. So go ahead and take out all the water from the potatoes. It should be like, they shouldn't be water at all. It shouldn't be watery. It should be easy to come apart like that. Go ahead and put some oil in your pan, and we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna cook the potatoes for at least 10 minutes. Make sure not to get them brown, because we're not trying to brown them. All we're trying to do is just basically cook them. After a while, they should look like that. So you can see they're really nice and cooked and delicious and not browned at all. So don't do that. I forgot to put the flour in the beginning of the video, but we're gonna actually add flour into this. Like, I totally forgot that, and I remembered, I was like, oh my word. But anyways, go ahead and add your flour into your batch first. Make sure it's the first thing that you put. Then go ahead and mix up the rest of your ingredients, of course. And when you put your onion, make sure you don't put the liquid in, just leave the juice aside, and you don't actually need that. Now we're gonna go ahead and put some cheese. You can put as much cheese as you want. This all depends on your taste buds and how much cheese you actually like, but I think this is just enough cheese for the batch. You don't have to go over crazy, otherwise it becomes like a cheesy whatever. And now we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna shape the hash browns. I'm using the shaper, but you can totally do this by hand. Just make sure to press it all together so it doesn't fall apart. So just press as much as you can. And now they should look like that. They are ready to go into the frying pan. Put a little oil. You don't have to put that much, just a little bit, because we're not trying to like deep fry them. We're just trying to fry them perfectly. So they should be that, like that, golden brown and delicious already. Oh, now just go ahead and put them in a paper towel so the oil can actually drain out. We're not trying to get fatty. Just kidding, it's yummy, do it. But anyways guys, this is what they look like. Really delicious. You guys should try this out. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope to see you guys in my next one, and I hope you guys actually try this. It is so delicious. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.